Dear children, today we will continue with the same chapter fractions, but I will give you some more exercise problems. Say exercise 6b, first question is reduce the fractions into its lowest term in each of the following. I told you, right, how can we reduce it into the lowest term? First we need to find the HCF. After that we need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. Then only you will get the lowest term. But here the HCF is given in the question itself. Then no need to find the HCF here. You can just divide only, you will get the lowest term. Is it clear? Okay. And which one is the HCF given in the question? 7, right? And we need to divide the numerator and denominator by 7. You will get the lowest term. Here 14 divided by 7 is what? 2. 2 by 21 divided by 7 is what? 3. Okay, it is in the lowest term. Okay, and the next one 9 divided by 3, answer is what? 3. And 12 divided by 3 is what? 4. Okay, and the next one 10 divided by 5, that is 2, and 15 divided by 5, that is 3. Okay, and the next is 12 divided by 4, that is 3, and 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Okay, and the next one, I will give you some homework questions also from that exercise. Exercise 6b, question number 1, E and F, that is your homework. Okay, and the next is circle the fractions into its lowest term. I told you, right, how can you understand one fraction is in the lowest term? The common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. Then only you can say that fraction is in the lowest term. Is it clear, children? Okay. And first I will give 3 by 15. You need to check, is it in the lowest term? Is it in the lowest term? 3 by 15. You need to check what is the common factor between numerator and denominator. The common factor is 1 only, you can say it is in the lowest term. Here common factor is what? 3. 3 is the common factor, right? It is not 1. That is why it is not in the lowest term. You need to circle only the lowest term. Okay. And what about next? 4 by 12. Is it in the lowest term? No. And that is the common factor between the numerator and denominator. Here 4. 4 is the HCF. Okay. And the next one is 1 by 5. See this? 1 by 5. The common factor between the numerator and denominator is what? 1 only. 1 and 5, the common factor between 1 and 5 is what? 1. It is in the lowest term only. Okay. And what about next fraction? 11 by 13. 11 is a prime number, right? Okay. And 13 is also a prime number. The common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. Okay. And 12 by 14, it is not in the lowest term. 2 by 11, yes, because 2 is prime number and 11 is prime number. And 3 by 5, is it in the lowest term? Yes, 3 and 5, both are prime numbers. Okay. And 5 by 7, is it in the lowest term? Yes, that is also prime numbers. The common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1 only. Okay. And 6 by 8, no. Is it clear? And the next question is, reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. Okay. That I give it in the last video also, right? Okay. And 14 divided by 49. First we need to find what? HCF, right? We can do it by division method. That is 14 equals 2 7s are. Then 7 1s are. Okay. After that 49. And can you tell me one prime number? You can start it with a prime number. 2. No, we can't divide by 2. 3. No, we can't divide by 3. 4. 4 is not prime number. And 5 is? No, we can't divide by 5. Then next number is what only? 7. 7 is a prime number. 7 7s are 49. Again 7. And is 1. Okay. And 14 equals what? The factors of 14, 2 into 7. Then 49 is what? 7 into 7. and HCF is what? 7. HCF is 7 only, right? After that I need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. I will get what? Lowest term. Here is 2 by 7. Okay, and the next one is 28 by 32. 28 how only? 28, 2, 214 and 2 7s are, then 7 1s are. Okay, and the next is what? 32, 268, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, then 2 1s. Is it clear? Can you tell me all the factors of 28? 2 into 7. Okay, and 32 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, that we can. Okay, 32 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, after that we can make it in the group only, right? And 2 2 are common factors, right? Then we can make it in the group. And here also we can make it in one group. And HCF is what? HCF equals what only here? 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, HCF is 4 only, right? And after that I need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. I will get what? That is 7 by 8 only. See this? It is in the lowest term, right? 7 by 8 is in the lowest term. Okay. And the next is 9 by 27. And you know which are the factors of 9? 3 into 3. And 27 is what? 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. After that HCF is what? HCF equals 3 into 3. That is 9. Okay. After that I need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. I will get the answer. That is 1 by 3. Okay. Next one is 20 by 36. That is your homework only. Okay. And how can you do this? First you need to find the HCF of 20 and 36. After that you need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. You will get the answer. Okay. And next is also your homework, 24 by 32. And first you need to find the HCF of 24 and 32. After that you need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. You will get the answer. Okay. Thank you children.